Good morning everyone. In last videos we learned how to solve equations in different methods. That is trial and error method, without transposing method and also how to check the result. Now in part 4 of this simple equations we solve some word problems of day-to-day life. Now before solving word problems in simple equations you need to follow some steps. You see the steps. First one, you have to read the problem carefully. Next, denote unknown quantity with some variable, that is x, y, z, a, b, c and so on. We have 26 alphabets, so you can use any lowercase letters. Next, write the problem in the form of equation by making a relation among the quantities. Then you have to solve the equation. Last, you have to check the solution. So following these steps, let us solve some problems. Children, now observe the figure here. You need to find x from this figure. Now here, this is a spoon. The complete length of the spoon, it was given 15 centimeters. Now, the first part is x centimeters, which is unknown. Now, the second part length is 11 centimeters. Now, according to the figure, the sum of the first part and the second part, which is equal to 15 centimeters. This can be written in the form of equation as x plus 11 is equal to 15 centimeters. How to solve the equation? Let us go for transposing method. Now this is plus 11. When you transpose to the right side, it becomes minus 11. So 15 minus 11, which is 4 centimeters. So the unknown length, which is x is 4 centimeters. If you want to check your answer, substitute 4 in place of x. 4 plus 11, which is 15 centimeters. Similarly, you have another figure. Here is a pen. So from this figure, you have to find the length of y here. Now the total length of the pen, it was given 13 centimeters. Now you see the bottom part, which is y centimeters. And the top part is 8 centimeters. Now how to frame the equation from this figure here? You see the figure. The sum of the bottom part plus top part together gives 13 centimeters. So it can be written as y plus 8 is equal to 13 centimeters. Now let us solve the equation here. Now this is plus 8. When you transpose to the right side, it becomes minus 8. So y is equal to 13 minus 8, which is 5 centimeters. So the unknown length y is equal to 5 centimeters. If you want to check, substitute 5 in place of y. 5 plus 8, which is 13 centimeters. Now you see another word problem. If we add 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. Once again, read the problem carefully. If we add 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. Here the number is unknown. So see the solution. Let the number be x. Here you can take any variable. Just I took here x. Now next step is twice a number. Twice a number means twice of x. Twice of x means 2 times of x. 2 is multiplied by x. It can be written as 2x. Now if we add 7 to twice a number, means 7 is added to this 2x. If 7 is added to 2x, it can be written as 2x plus 7. Now according to the sum, if we add, we get 49. So the result is 49. The equation can be written as 2x plus 7, which is equal to 49. Now let us solve the equation here. Now here, left side we are adding 7 here. When you transpose to the right side, we subtract. So 2x is equal to 49 minus 7. So 2x is equal to 49 minus 7, which is 42. Now here left side, 2 we are multiplying by x. When you transpose to the right side, we divide. 2 ones, 2 21s. So x value is 21. So what is our required number here? 21. If you want to check your result, you can substitute here. 2 into 21 plus 7. 2 21s are 42. 42 plus 7, which is 49. So our required number is the right answer. Now let us solve few more problems. If we subtract 22 from 3 times a number, we get 68. Find the number. Once again you see the problem. If we subtract 22 from 3 times a number, we get 68. Find the number. Again the number is unknown. Let us take the number as x. Now here the given 3 times a number. 3 times a number means 3x. 3 is multiplied by x. Now here we subtract 22 from 3 times a number. Means subtracting 22 from 3x can be written as 3x minus 22. Now according to the sum, we get 68 here. So the result is 68. So how to write in the equation form? 3x minus 22, which is equal to 68. Now if we solve, you see. This is left side, we have minus 22. Now this minus 22, if you transpose to the right side, it becomes plus 22. So 3x is equal to 68 plus 22. So 3x is equal to 90. Now here, leaving variable term here, we have 3 into x it is. So when you are transposing 3 to right side, we divide RHS by 3. So 90 by 3. 3 ones, 3 30s 90. So x is 30. So what is our required number here? We got it 30. If you want to check, you can check by substituting 30 in place of x. 3 30s 90. 90 minus 22, which is 68. Now let us solve another problem here. Find a number which when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. Again, find a number which when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3, which is equal to 53. Again, let us take the number as x. When a number is multiplied by 7 means, if x is multiplied by 7 means, it can be written as 7x. 7 into x, 7x. Now next, it is reduced by 3. Reducing means we have to do subtraction. If 7x is reduced by 3, can be written as 7x minus 3. Now what is the result according to the sum, which is equal to 53? So according to the sum, the result is 53. So equation you observe once, 7x minus 3, which is equal to 53. Now you see, let us solve. Left side we have minus 3. When you transpose to the right side, it becomes plus 3. So leave the variable term 7x here. 53 plus 3, which is equal to 56. 7x is equal to 56. It means here 7 is multiplied by x. When you transpose to the right side, we divide. So 56 by 7. Simplify here. 7 ones, 7 eights. X is equal to 8. So what is our required number here? 8. Let us check here by substituting 8 in place of x. 7x means 7 into x. 7 eights are 56. 56 minus 3, which is 53. So our required number is the correct one. Correct answer, we got it. This is the way we can check. Okay children, I hope you understand these sums, the way how to solve the word problems related to simple equations. Practice the sums which I explained here. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.